Hello, hi. It is it's a little vloggy vlog. Okay. I have something to pick up at the Take a Lot office in Fortsburg. And I also want to go to Dragon City. I've been before, but it was like super packed. So I want to see if I can go now where it's during the week, there's hopefully less people, and then I have like the opportunity to shop properly. So yeah, let's go. Okay, puppets, we secured the bag. I want to go to Dragon City, but if it's too full, I'll dip. Like, I'm not trying to do that. I'll do Dragon City tomorrow morning if it's like that. It's all because now if we're talking about so I just got here. I'm not going to take my camera in with me because it's not that kind of place. I'm looking specifically for raw hair bundles and a lace closure. So let's see if I can find that. There are quite a few shops here. So I'm hoping to find something on special. I don't want to spend more than $2,000. So that's the plan here today. Because I want to do a sew-in. It's sew-in season. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's see if we can accomplish this plan today. I manifested that I'm going to find everything that I need to. Perfect raw, good quality hair, perfect length, perfect price, perfect everything. Perfect. So yeah, let's go in. I just finished at what's it called, Dragon City, and I got what I wanted. I'm afraid it's not going to be enough, but let's see. I'm at Mickey D's getting a sweet treat because I deserve it. Today was a lot. Like, I'm just a girl at the end of the day. Like, I can't do everything. Hi there. How are you? Good, thank you. So I'm really hoping that the hair I got is enough for a sew-in. She sold me only 2 bundles. She said that would be enough, so I believed her, and I'm going to continue to believe her until I get to the salon. But they'll probably be like, yeah, cool, whatever, because it's a full frontal. So let's see, hopefully that works out perfectly. It's a pity I didn't record anything. Like I said, it's not the kind of place you want to go in like that, guns blazing, like boom boom boom, let me shoot this camera out type vibes. If I was vlogging, I would have vlogged on my phone, but my phone is inadequate. It is out of commission. I don't think I ever explained what happened. Any hoozle, my phone was stolen. So this is what happened, right? I was at Babylon with a lot of people, and what ended up happening, I got so wasted, white girl wasted, that my friend had to hold my phone, right? And then boom, my friend gets jumped outside of Babylon. In fact, they attempted to kidnap him, but essentially he was jumped, and they took my phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max, 500 and whatever gigs. Like, that was my livelihood, right? That was before I had a camera, how I was making content. It was my livelihood, okay? So it was devastating to lose that. It was extremely depressing. I felt so irresponsible. Like, why am I doing this to myself? You know, you go through the motions of it. And then I had to now find a new way to make content. And the camera that I bought is the Canon EOS R50, and I bought it as a content creator kit. So it comes with a microphone and this handy little mini tripod thing, and memory card, you know, phone charger, whatever, all the accessories that you need as a content creator kit. And I bought it for 12K, I think, but it was on special at the time. What fucking road did I take? Why am I lost? No, oy vey, I'm lost. It's okay, we're chatting, so we can get a little bit lost in the parks. So yeah, I had to figure it out. Posting on socials has been extremely difficult because I have this iPhone 6 from back in the day. You know, it's not great. I can't update to the newest iOS. So my plan is to try and book an appointment tomorrow at this hair salon in the Midrand who does sew-ins. The reason I want to book with this specific salon is because I've seen them on TikTok and they cut layers like really like bomb. Scrum to the yum yum a purr. It's very last minute. You see, that's the kind of person I am, but it's thrilling. Like, who doesn't want to live like this? You know, their installs are like 900 Rand, which is like, geez, bro, cut me a fucking break. But, you know, it's alright. We got it. We can do it. Okay. Angel Baby Weaves. That is where I went to at Dragon City. It is shop D43 and they are upstairs. You can use this number if you get lost. I can see why you would, because it's a bit of a dramatic place. I got this lace wig holding spray. I've started to realize that the bold hold, that one doesn't work anymore, like even at all. Actually, I think there was this huge hype about it, and now it's just like, what are we doing? Really? Security. So I'm not loving it. I've heard great things about this one, Glamour Beauty, so I'm excited to try it. They said I only need 2. I should have bought a 3rd one. I just have a feeling. But okay, it is what it is. 2 20-inch double drawn bundles. And then a 13x4 closure, 12 inches. So my plan is to do like a full frontal install and then sew in the tracks of the bundles. Because it's double drawn, I really hope that the 2 packets will be enough. So right now I'm trying to make an appointment for somewhere for tomorrow to get that done, and hopefully this works. Honestly, I don't see why it wouldn't, but let's see how things go. Hiya! So it's actually the next day. I realized that I didn't show you the Tekola package that I got yesterday, so let's unbox that together right now. Okay, we got a free gift, something that's cute. Beautyholic Elemental PolyGel Nail Starter Kit with base and top coat. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the kit. It's this UV thing, but it's mini, obviously, because how else would it fit into this tiny ass box? The plastic forms, I believe there's about 100 of them. Okay. I don't know why you need so many, but okay. The top coat, base coat, the slip solution, a little application brush, nail file, this cute little thing, a clamp for the nail forms, and then we have 3 polygels. It is a clear, pink clear, and milk white. This is my nails. I'm going to prep them and then let's see how my polygel skills are. Good morning! It's the next day, obviously. I left you while I was figuring out the polygel situation. The first try, I gave up. It was so difficult. Anyway, I scrapped it. I went on a walk, I made dinner, and then when I came back, I was like, okay, I am determined to make this work. Like, I did not spend 100 and something Rand. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's like, really? Maybe that's why it didn't work. It's because it was so cheap. Well, no. I'm a cheapskate, so I'm gonna make anything work, right? Let me show you my nails. They're kind of cute or whatever. I think for like a first try, it's like, it's cute, no? What do we think? So remember we spoke about me getting the sew-in done? Luckily, I got an appointment. They called me yesterday and was like, hey, we have an opening for tomorrow morning, which is today now. Hello. So I'm actually on my way there now. I'm so excited because this is the place I wanted to go to initially. Already yesterday when they were asking me questions about the hair and my hair and things like that, I just knew that I was at the right place because they were asking all the right questions, you know. Some of these places you just rock up and you have no idea what they're about to do to you, and then you leave unhappy, but you can't say anything because etiquette, right? I don't know why we do that. Like, if we're paying for a service, why am I leaving unhappy and you think you did this amazing job? Anyway, that's not the case. I don't think that's going to happen today. I think we're actually going to have a really good hair session. I think I did a really good job as a first timer. I love the shape. The only thing is it's really thick at the bottom there, so I need to figure out a way to do it where it's not like really thick. So I just got to the center here in Sandhurst, so let's see if we can find the place. Okay, bye.
Ce soir pas de dodo. Ce soir pas de dodo. Comment tu t'appelles, mademoiselle? Your body calling me, andale. Oh my baby, show my baby daily. Your booty body, they make a bad man go. I want to know. Can I fly you up, then give you some of love? I want to know, no. Yeah. You speak in French, I speak your language. But like I lie, you do me damage. African bad girl, you so savage. Don't be selfish, girl, let's sit on my face. You turn me on a little too crazy. Can't get enough of you, oh, baby. Girl, you so sexy, I must confess. Baby, every time I'm okay. Ce soir pas de dodo. Ce soir pas de dodo.